I hope you enjoy watching Awesome Herbs channel. Despite their small size, these seeds are nutrient-rich foods. According to a report published by The Telegraph*, these white and black seeds were an essential part of the diet of the Aztec and Mayan civilizations. While today they are classified among the most prominent superfoods, praised by nutrition experts and scientists, they have also become a staple ingredient in the health and wellness recipes popular on social media, where they are used in jams, creamy dishes, and even quick breakfast meals after soaking them in milk overnight. Certified nutritionist Nicola Ludlam-Rain says that chia seeds are an excellent source of plant-based omega-3 fats, complete protein, and fiber. She added that they also provide important nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and iron. Here are 5 benefits of eating chia seeds. 1. May help with weight loss. Nutritionist Jenna Hope explains that chia seeds, thanks to their high fiber and protein content, help you feel full for longer, which may support weight management. She pointed to a study published in 2017 in the Journal of Functional Foods showing that participants who added chia seeds to their diet consumed 25% fewer calories per day. Fiber adds volume to the meal and slows the passage of food from the stomach, which prolongs the feeling of fullness. Protein takes longer to digest, which may reduce hunger and calorie intake. However, Hope emphasizes that chia seeds only help with weight control when included as part of a healthy, balanced diet. 2. Beneficial for gut health. Hope says chia's high fiber content supports bowel movement and nourishes some beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. Although you can eat them dry or soaked, soaking them in water or milk makes them easier to digest and improves the absorption of nutrients, including fiber. When soaked, chia seeds absorb up to 10 times their weight in fluids, giving them a gel-like texture due to the soluble fiber. This form may help soften stool and improve digestion, according to a 2022 study conducted on rats, though more research in humans is still needed. 3. May support heart health. Nutritionist Nicola Ludlam-Rain says chia seeds support heart health in several ways, because they are rich in the fatty acid ALA, a plant-based type of omega-3, shown to help reduce inflammation and lower triglycerides, while supporting healthy blood pressure. A study published in Nutrition and Metabolism found that ALA supplements helped lower inflammation in patients with metabolic syndrome by balancing free radicals that may damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Although chia seeds contain more omega-3 than salmon, the type differs. Chia contains the inactive plant form, ALA, whereas salmon and other fatty fish contain EPA and DHA, which the body uses more efficiently. For rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds contain antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, quercetin, and camphorol, which are linked to anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties and support heart health. A 2020 study published in the journal Amino Acids suggested that these compounds may help improve skin health by protecting against enzymes associated with aging, though further research is needed to confirm this. Camphorol may also help reduce intestinal inflammation and support heart health, while chlorogenic acid may improve insulin resistance, potentially contributing to the prevention of obesity and type 2 diabetes. The 5th of May support women's hormone health. Proteins, fiber, and healthy fats play an important role in hormone balance, and the omega-3 acids found in chia seeds may help support women's hormone health. Studies have shown that omega-3 supplements help lower testosterone levels in women with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and also contributed to regulating the menstrual cycle. Another study found that postmenopausal women who consumed omega-3 acids experienced a significant reduction in blood triglycerides. Even though more research is needed, current evidence suggests that the nutrients in chia seeds may be beneficial for hormone health.